Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to fix game voice chat and mic not working on PS5. Press the start button on your controller, then go to settings, then go to audio, then go to master volume, then turn it up. Now press the square button from the controller, then go to voice chat volume and turn it up. Then go to voice chat, then turn on the voice chat. Then change as all lobby to game voice channel. Then go to microphone tab, set 31 as open mic sensitivity. Now turn up the microphone level. Then go to back and click on account network. Now turn on the cross-play communication. Now press the PlayStation button from the controller. Now go to sound from the bottom. Now turn up the volume and output device set to headset. Now go to audio balance and set it as center. Now go to game base. Now go to headset icon and click on start party. Now go back and go to sound. Now adjust the audio balance, set it down. Turn off the mute gain voice change. Now go to mic. Now select mic as headset. Now adjust mic level. Then adjust the microphone bar. By following the steps, you can fix game voice chat and mic not working on PS5.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.